How to fix Teams error code 8007003 in Windows 10/11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Type in Control Panel in Windows Search and press Enter. Go to Clock and Region and click on Date and Time. Make sure that the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update Now and OK.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work.
If error 8007003 is related to system file issues or failed updates, running the Windows Update Troubleshooter may help resolve any underlying problems. If the Teams app is corrupted or misconfigured, repairing or resetting it can help resolve the error by restoring its default settings.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work. If that didn't work.
Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.